Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to guide you through how to download FTX application on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download FTX wallet application on your iPhone, first make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data. Once connected, tap Open App Store. Go to the search bar at the top and type in FTX and press search. From the search result, pick FTX, formerly Blackfolio application right here, and tap the download button. Wait for the application to be downloaded on your mobile device, and after you wait for some time, you'll be able to download the application. Tap the open button to launch the app open, and that is how you'll be able to download FTX wallet application for your iPhone. FTX is a cryptocurrency exchange platform and is the easiest way to trade crypto. Once you download the application on your mobile devices, you'll be able to buy and sell crypto right from your mobile devices wherever you have an internet connection. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.